I raise all my snakes from babies to learn and associate the meaning of the word no with their actions. No, Chew. No. No. He's dying to get on my computer desk up here. No. No. Thank you. No. No. Chew. Thank you. No. No. Chew. He's dying to get on my computer desk today. Good boy. Good boy, Chew. You can teach them word commands. Mine know what stop means and they know what no means. They aren't stupid animals. They are fully capable of learning. No. Oh, you're going to be like that. Hey, what'd I say? Good boy. No. Chew, no. And you know, I always speak to them in a gentle tone of voice. So when I raise my voice or change my tone, they pick up on it really quick. And if you're using a harsh tone with them, which is unusual for them to hear coming from me, they take that as serious as me being aggressive toward them. So they'll back right away usually. Snakes are fully capable of learning these things. Mine all respond to nose taps. All I gotta do is put my fingers up in front of their nose and they'll back right up. No. No. Chew. No. See, there's no top on here. He's trying to get on my computer desk. No. It all has to do with your tone of voice. No, Chew. No. No. Thank you. Good boy. These are not dumb animals. Don't ever underestimate their mentality. Good boy. Good boy, Chew. You're very mistaken if you think they're stupid animals, because they're far from it. Good boy. Yeah, you are. You're a good boy. Look at you. You can come over here and hang out on the top of it. You're not getting on my computer desk, and you're not getting my vanilla cream or my coffee sitting right here beside me either. Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. Oh my goodness.